Hello everybody, I'm Patrick Martin and I won this medal yesterday in Saturday afternoon, May 31, 2008. 2009, I'm sorry. I won this medal in my basketball clinic, which I used to attend all this summer. And I I even though I didn't get the MVP, I will mention in this video who got the MVP award, Michael Galerio. Hey Michael, I hope you see my video soon. And his brother Mark also came in, but my friend Stephen wasn't there and my cousin Aaron wasn't able to win. I'm sorry, but they picked. And congratulations to my friends like Bruce, they also won this. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope that someday, next year, I will win again another medal like this. And this medal was donated by Vice Mayor Arturo El Sicat. Thank you, Vice Mayor, and I hope if you watch this, hello and goodbye.